everybody, and welcome and thank you for watching. We are very excited to present you guys with a new bow sight that's going to hit the market soon. It's called the Sure Sight. It's an automatic bow sight. It's digital. It's got lots of very good features. It's designed by bow hunters for bow hunters, and we would like to do a quick review and a setup for you guys to show you what it looks like and how it works. And I just want to thank Roger McDonald on my right hand side. He's one of the co-founders for Sure Sight, and he's been working behind the scenes on this thing for about 5 years now, fine-tuning it, changing, do everything he does and can to make it the best possible sight to use out there on the 3D range or in the hunting field. So Roger, thank you very much. Thank you for being with us today, and thank you for having me. And just a quick couple of points. Why would you agree that this sight is really as good as the box says it is? Just a couple of points.
Well, DP, we've been busy with it for 5 years, like you said. We're on version 6. We've gone through different mechanical sights, and we went to digital, and we perfected it now. And our main aim was to make it quick and easy to set up, easy to range, and it does all of that. It's very easy to range, fast to range. It has angle compensation. It's got a shooting resolution of 0.5 millimeters, which allows you to shoot up to 120 yards very accurately.
That's good.
And a very good battery life. The battery would last you plug it into a USB if you need a charge, and it would last you basically a whole season if you don't abuse the sight. But we're excited as well to see you setting this up, and just to show how easy it is to set up from out of the box onto the bow, and thank you for that.
Thank you very much, and I cannot wait to start, so let's fire away, get to it straight away, open the box, put it on a bow, and shoot it as far as we can, as accurate as we can. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. So guys, there's the box. It comes in a really neat packaged little box, high quality. It shows you some of the features on it, left hand or right handed. So I'm going to go straight away and open it up and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So nicely covered and cushioned so it doesn't bump or anything. Real easy to take out here. There we go. So it'll come in two pieces like this, or actually just apart from each other like this, and then you just slide it on there, take your Allen key and sights together. There we go. So this is what the new Sure Sight looks like. So at first the sight looks maybe a little big and bulky, but we weighed it. It's only 320 grams, which gives you just over 11 ounces. So it's nice and light. It's made of a really strong material. It's got a nice big side window, which allows for the extra distance if you want to practice a little further. They always say if you want to shoot an animal, hunt an animal between 20 and 30 yards, you're going to practice regularly between 50 and 60 or 60 and 70 yards. So it's got a nice big window, lets in a lot of light, enables you to see much better what you're looking or what you want to shoot at, and then obviously gives you the extra distance as I mentioned already. So on the top here we find the rangefinder part. It's got the rangefinder part there and the sight part on the bottom. Really easy. Windage and elevation, up and down, left and right settings, all manual, and then we'll get to the menu where you actually adjust your shooting program, which will equal whatever velocity your arrow travels at. You'll shoot on a certain program, and then it automatically adjusts the increments on the shooting pin for you according to whatever velocity your bow shoots at. Okay, so let's get it on a bow and see how it works, see what it does. So how this sight works is you have to activate a green visible laser by pushing the trigger button and hold it. And wherever you desire to range on a target, on an animal, you just keep the laser on the animal and then releasing the button, and it will automatically in a second give you the range on display as well as the shooting pin. Adjust the shooting pin to whatever distance it's set up to. So it's a case of on full draw, keep the button in, range wherever you want to shoot, release the button, the pin's available immediately to take the shot, put the pin and take the shot, and it's really as easy as that. Alright, so on the 282 feet per second, there we go, velocity feet per second and program. So 281, 282 equals around about program 107, 108. So we're going to try start at 107 and see if the intervals work out for us. Alright guys, so this side's only got 3 buttons on it. It's got the power button up top there, and then the bottom 2 is F1 and F2. F1 is can be used to adjust the brightness on your shooting pin, and then once you're in a menu, it's also the up or down, F1 or 2, up and down buttons for adjusting something. Okay, so we're going to switch the sight on now, so you can see what it does. Runs through the menu. So the shooting pin runs up and down. It's automatically program 90, as you saw there in the top. We'll just give a quick view of it again. So it's by default on program 90. So what we want to do is we're going to press F2, hold it, gives you program 90, and then push it again just by clicking it, going up 91, 2, 3. We want to be at 107 because that's what the table said. And then to accept, oh sorry, there's 107. To accept it, you just press the trigger button and it'll blink 3 times, and then that's the indication that it's accepted.
Now that the sight is mounted on your bow and you've selected the correct shooting program, you can range the target at 20 yards and take your first shot. We can see that this shot is low and left. Always adjust in the direction of the arrow. Adjust your elevation down and your windage toward the left. It is very important to get your 20-yard pin set up correctly. If you're slightly out at 20 yards, that error will be greater at further distances. After adjusting your sight and still at 20 yards, range the target again and take another shot. This shot is also low and left. Adjust your elevation down and your windage to the left again. Make sure that your Allen screws are tightened. Load up another arrow and get ready for your next shot. If you have set your 20-yard location, there would be no need to range for every shot because your shooting pin would remain in the same position until you range another target or manually select another distance. Although we have hit the mark, it would be good to take at least another 2 shots just to make sure that we are grouping around the center. There's another one on the mark. Give yourself at least one more shot just to check yourself. You would want to land at least 3 arrows within a 2-inch space at 20 yards. Then you know you set up at 20 and you can move on to the next step. That's it. Now we are ready to test our selected shooting program at further distances.
So we put up a couple of targets, anything from about 40 to about 100. We're going to range them now and see exactly how far they are. So as you know, we selected program 107. That's what I guessed my velocity on the bow was. We'll just check if it works out and make some adjustments accordingly. So let's fire away. Okay, 42. Okay, so that was high, a little bit of right, but that was me. So we're going to jump from 107, about 5 programs up to 112. So here we go, program 112, and set, range it again. Okay, seems like it's working. Program 112. Right, we go 60 yards. That white bag there, 60 yards. 62, to be honest. Let's see what happens. That looks more or less there, maybe with a bit of human error involved. Let's go to the 85. So let's give it a shot. Okay, that looks good. 85 works out for any sort of kill zone. Alright guys, now just for interest sake for the long shot, it's 98 yards on the rangefinder, so about a 6 to 8 inch balloon. Let's give it a try. I mean, this is beyond any practical hunting distance, but just to test it out and see if that program really works out to the more extreme distances. Let's give it a shot. So there we go. Almost 100 yards. Program 112 on this setup. Took us a couple of shots, less than 10, and confirmation on all the distances in between 42, 64 or 62, 85, 97, ready to go. So, ready to go hunting, as easy as that. Okay guys, thank you very much. We appreciate your patience and thanks for watching. And please remember to like, subscribe and share. Visit the website in the bottom here and look forward for some new videos that will be posted soon. And we hope you enjoy the couple of shots following this in the hunting season of 2018. Good luck, and Roger, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations on a job well done.